We have some drain holes over here. We have the solar array that's going to collect the sun during the day with the 12,000 milliamp battery to hold the charge for up to 12 hours. Check online for further detail about the product and also give you a nice close-up look at the LEDs, the light charging system, and the remote sensor. You have on the side is the way to adjust the angle and the area for the pole and bracket. So let's go outside, go set this bad boy up and hang it up. 312 LEDs, 2835. When you first get yours, please put it in the sun fully charged, cover it straight down, take the remote control, put the batteries in to see if the lights come on, and hit the off button. The red one is also an off button to turn it off for the next time. This is a 300 watt, 30,000 lumen, 6500 Kelvin solar street lamp. With the hardware, screws, and bolts, you're going to place this in your area where you want to mount. We're going to put ours on the pole and show you what it looks like when it's completed. The Allen key screws are in. They're adjusted to the angle. Each increments are the charging levels. As the solar panel gets the sun's rays, depending on the weather, it'll take a little longer to charge. The solar street lamp hooked up. We're ready for the evening hours to display. Solar street light. I'm going to light it up for you, show you what it looks like. Turn it on. As it brightens up to 100%, we have a number of controls. Check online for further details. You have a hourly time schedule, an automatic from dusk to dawn. You can go down as 10% on the increments, all the way up to 100% by 10%. And first 5 hours, it stays lit 100%. So what we're going to do is increase it to 100%. As that is the flickering telling you is at the maximum, and now we're going to lower it down by 10% increments of each level. As it gets down to the lowest level, it gives a number of flashes as well, and you'll see 2 red, 2 blue, and a green underneath the light. Now the M button in the middle doesn't dedicate to anything, and the up and down will change the different types of colors of the unit and give you a blink or two of what they do. So if you hit the automatic mode, we're 100%. This doesn't have a sensor, so there won't be any motion to trigger it to be on and off. It is a dusk to dawn light. Light up the area, 100%, 750 square feet. It has illuminations that's very bright for the area. A 12,000 milliamp battery that take about 8 hours to charge and give you a minimum of 12 to 16 hours of full runtime. This unit is IP rated. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for. Going over just the remote control, we have the auto on, the off, a plus, a negative, an M, a brightness levels, auto, 3, 5, and 8 hour timer. The LED illuminated light is clear plastic that can be hung on a pole anywhere that you want. A nice charging system showing you how much charge power is there. It may be a little difficult for you to see the unit turn on, that it is working, that we could change to the different types of modes. And then we'll turn it off, hit the red button for tonight.